Hello and welcome again, friends. My name is Megan Trowick with the Law Office of Bryan Fagan, and in this segment, you know I love to dish on our favorite celebrities. However, this time I'm talking about the celebrities that we lost in 2025, and unfortunately, I want to talk about Malcolm-Jamal Warner. You know that he passed away in July 2025, and you know, this was a death that we did not see coming. Malcolm is a beloved actor. We loved him from the days of Cosby. We loved him from, Malcolm and Eddie. He was in Jeremiah. So, we've grown up with him. For those who weren't as young, so we grew up with him. We saw him from all those days, and we did not see this coming. He unfortunately passed away in a drowning accident, and we don't know what his estate is. I love to talk about estate. We love to talk about estate planning because I love to teach lessons from other people's lives, because I do not believe in repeating mistakes. I don't know what Jamal's estate is like, but from watching what his family is doing, they're keeping it private, and they're looking like they're honoring who he is. They're keeping his business out of the public's eye, and I have to say I kind of respect that. I'm not seeing any probate issues in the public, so it's looking like he had his affairs in order. And I have to say, kudos to you, Mr. Malcolm. It looks like he had his assets together. Maybe he had a trust. Maybe he had it fully funded, because if it wasn't fully funded, we would know, because they would have had to file probate in the area where he lived and where he had his assets, and we haven't seen any filings in the courts. And so the only way he could escape a filing in the court is if he had a trust and if it was fully funded. Outside of that, we know he had assets, and so if he had no assets, that's the only way he could avoid probate. So kudos to Mr. Malcolm. He obviously had his trust together. He obviously funded his trust. He had his affairs together. And he did seem like a really put together young man. So, Malcolm, may your soul rest in peace. You gave us such a wonderful legacy, such a stand-up kind of person. And we just appreciate who you are. And thank you for the years.
Thanks so much for watching our video. We hope you found it helpful and enjoyable. If you liked what you saw, please give us a thumbs up. Got any questions or thoughts? Drop a comment below. And if you know someone who could benefit from this video, don't hesitate to share it with them. For more awesome resources, check out the description below. Take care. We'll see you in the next video.